Hi, welcome. It's been 2 years I haven't seen uploading, and then this is an app called I don't know. A lot of people say it, and if you are an electrical engineer, you can download it and search it in the link in the description below. As you can see, this is a circuit app that you can use for your, and then it has a voltmeter, transistor, light emitting diodes is also called LED, diode, Schottky diode, Zener diode, that pictures thing. Then I don't know what's this. Then this is a square wave. The three are supplies, the AC, DC, inductor, you can see here. Then a capacitor, and then another capacitor, resistor. You can have the values in it called 1 kilo ohm. You can change it and use this scale rotation value. You can change it to different types of ohms, like this 0.22 ohms, which also is our white resistor with 5 watts. Yeah, that's your resistor now. Then capacitor, you can change this UF, U, then you can change it to UF, NF. One, if you can change it into picofarads to high voltage one. It's called ceramic, 5 picofarads. Transistor, that's an PNP, and NPN are look like this. The difference of symbol of NPN and PNP are the PNP input is positive in the emitter, and the negative are collector and base. But the NPN, the positive are emitter, the negative are emitter, then the collector and base is the positive. And transistors can be also made with amplifiers, which these I will make a video next week. It's different. Then this is a MOSFET transistor. I don't know what is this, and this is I don't know. I also don't know. Then this I don't. That's a IC, and there's different types of ICs here. You can see this is a IC, another IC, and there's already a 555 timer. As you can see, it tells you where you can use it, like this and the volt CC, but that's a 55 timer. The LM317 is like this. The input, positive input, and the ADJ, which I can use as ground. Then the output is 337 is also like the LM317, and it's a MOSFET as a voltage regulator. But this is IC8 7805, which is a 5 volt regulator. And then 7905 also voltage regulator. And then as we can see, there's a potentiometer here, 1 kilo ohm, and then as I believe this is a stereo. This is a transformer. You can change inductance. Then this is a switch, a close switch. Don't know if you can close. Then this is look like the switch with a relay, and then this is I don't know. Then this is, as you can see, a relay. So collect. When add voltage to it, the switch closes and then gonna turn on the relay. And then this is look like a selector relay. When there's magnetic field, it goes to the switch and it's up, it back to its position. This is a motor. You can change its volt. You can use your voltage. You can see. And this look like a voltmeter. The other ones are voltmeters, ammeters, ohmmeters, switchable source, 7-segment display, 7-segment decoder, crossover 2. What is a crossover? She look like a, you know, she look like a speaker, lamp, op amp. Just so we call an IC, SCR. She look like a diode. And then the last but not least, the triac. A triac is work in AC source. It look like a relay, but it's not a relay. It's a AC trans, AC MOSFET drive. It's a driver, and the IC you can change it. Custom 2-pin, 3-pin, 4-pin, 4 2, 5-pin, 6-pin until web components custom regulator. Yeah. And then I will wait until I finish this and then I will show you. I have finished my first circuit. As you can see, the AC line goes to a transformer here, goes to a puny single diode rectifier is smoothed out by the capacitor. As you can see, if I play it, it's a simulation error. At least one ground element is here. Okay, I fix it. AC line goes to transformer. As you can see, remember to add a ground in the center here. Okay. And then the AC has a face.
Ang gulo-gulo talaga sa Pinas. Kailangan talaga nila si Jesus. So what are you...
And that's just the one face. Okay. Let's see what will happen. Okay. Then as you can see, you can see the watts and running. As you can see, that is now that's the output. Oh, that's the AC line. You can see the voltage here. You can change it and then put this here like this. As you can see, the output goes to the horrible DC. It's this DC thing. I think the rectifier. Maybe let's test it a little bit. As you can see, there's a shocky diode here. Run. So some more words. It look like an audio signal, and then the best of all, I can make 3-phase. So this is an AC signal. AC. This is an AC phase. I hit this. You see, I can turn it into three-phase. Here, three-phase AC. Let's turn it into three-phase AC. Okay. And then the amplitude of it is 120 volts. It's this 120 volts. Okay. Then we will use three-phase 0.4 hertz. Okay, we're back, and let's see where we are. Okay. At least one ground element is okay. Run. So this is the value simulation or so I will add the load, which is a resistor, 1 kilo. So the rectifier comes, but I will not use. So run. You can see goes alternating. When I see, yep. Okay. Which I believe is question number. It's AC. I love when I seeing AC. Okay. You can see that voltage is alternating. That's why they called it alternating current. So alternating. So okay. Let's pause first. Then delete this. Or okay. So three-phase. So if I want three phases, I will use 3 of this. I'll use Y configuration as can't even pronounce. Meter crossover. Okay. Can I use this? Okay, I can use this. Okay. What? No. So I need another crossover. Yeah. Crossover 2. Okay, crossover. Always remember your surroundings because it's Corona. The Corona. Okay. This is useful. See the bolts. Okay. Grab indicator. So number 2. And this is the bolts. Cursor number 2. Then this is the bolt 1. Belt 2. So I believe it's cursor number 2. Let's see what's the watch there. Singular magic. This is three-phase, cannot turn it, so there's no three-phase things.